we're talking about common ratings for starting, lighting, ignition, lead acid batteries in North America. The most common term for describing the amount of power a starting battery will deliver is CCA, or cold cranking amp. This is a measurement of how much power the battery will deliver for 15 seconds at minus 17.8 C. There are several other different cranking amp and hot cranking amp ratings, and the difference is the temperature at which they're rated. These are always higher than CCA. Another measurement of capacity a battery will deliver is amp hour rating. Amp hour is a measurement of how much power the battery will deliver over a set period of time. This is common in standby emergency lighting batteries, AGM batteries, and we're starting to see some starting batteries rated in amp hour now, as they do commonly in European products. Amp hour is typically a measurement over a 20-hour period of time. So as an example, if a battery is rated at 100 amp hour, that means that it will deliver a continuous 5 amps for 20 hours. There are several different ratings when it comes to amp hour as far as the period of time, and those are generally for forklift type batteries that can be rated at a 6-hour rate, and other UPS and renewable types that are rated at sometimes 8, 10, and 100-hour rate. But the common terminology, or the common rate that we use, is a 20-hour rate for amp hour. Reserve capacity is another common number we use for measuring the amount of amps delivered over a period of time. This is a common measurement for starting batteries and RV deep cycle batteries. As an example, if an RV battery is rated at 150 minutes reserve capacity, that means that that battery will deliver a continuous 25 amp draw for 150 minutes until the battery is considered discharged. Again, like the other ratings, there are different amperage discharge ratings. So in heavier golf cart and deep cycle type batteries, they may be rated at a 56 amp draw or a 75 amp draw to represent electric vehicles that are drawing more amperage. But the common amperage draw that we use, or we're talking about and referring to when we're talking about reserve capacity, is a 25 amp draw. So for more information on battery ratings and lead acid batteries, visit us at cdnrg.com.